there's something going on, but almost every shoulder dystocia will look like this. And baby will just use its head out. So you have a mom that's pushing, and baby's head is here, and that's it. She's done. And then next contraction, she pushes, and baby's head maybe came out to the ears, and you're like, what is going on?
This should be.
And then she pushes again, and now the eyes are literally sitting on the perineum almost always. I don't know why. It just is like easing out, easing out, easing out. Now, what we're looking for is it's called the turtle sign. And usually I'm going to try to catch it before this. If I saw the baby easing out like this, I'm always going to go around to mom's pubic bone, right above it. And I'm just going to check for a shoulder, and you can feel it jet out. And if you can feel it jet out, you can just go right above it, and you can kind of push it before the next contraction, otherwise it won't work. So I always just kind of check, and sometimes it's not that, and I'm like, okay, we're good. We'll just see what happens. But before the next contraction, if you really want to know what a true shoulder dystocia looks like, you'll see baby do this like suck back in towards the perineum, and its cheeks will be like this, and the head instantly suffuses. So,
Suffuses?
yeah, it turns black or purple.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh.
right?
Oh, wow.
So you have this like
How
thing
do you
going
stay
on,
calm?
and this is the point where you're like, head spin out. Okay, what are we gonna do? Mom's probably already gonna be in this position naturally, so you're just gonna do different positions to try to get this baby out. This is like the widest diameter of the pelvis, so if mom's flat on her back, you usually turn her to this. This is Gaskin, right? And so, okay, mom, let's go ahead and get this leg up here. We're gonna do like a lunge, okay? And we're gonna wait. Just wait and see what happens. She starts pushing. A lot of times that is enough to resolve it. If it's not, you can go through a whole bunch of different maneuvers. It feels like playing Twister with mom,
So
but they're very cooperative.
that when you use the...
Okay, so mom, I'm just gonna have you roll over onto your back.
And she's
Okay.
probably freaking out because she has a baby's head between her legs, right?
No.
No?
They
If
just
you're staying calm, which is really hard to do.
Oh, yeah.
If you're
okay.
calm, then they're going to stay calm.
Okay.
Mom, you've got this, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna put you into what we call the McRoberts maneuver. And it's seriously gonna look like this. You're gonna bring the mom's knees like
Oh,
up
sorry,
to
I was
her
getting out of
hips,
your way.
okay? And you're gonna have her push. And a lot of times, that'll do the trick. And if not, you're gonna go back above the pubic bone again, and you're gonna find it. And remember how they make this cardinal movement where they rotate? You're gonna find that shoulder, and you're gonna push it the direction it needs to go. You'll know, I promise.
Okay.
You're gonna push at the same time, and all of a sudden you're gonna see the little shoulder pull out. And if you have to, you just hook that shoulder and kind of help while she's pushing, obviously, and let her do the rest. Okay?
Okay.